What's up, Wonders of London? Anybody checking out our page for the first time, you're joining me here in Covent Garden. Who am I? I'm Rob. I'm one of the tour guides and I love exploring the city, and we've got something quite different, quite festive themed right here in Covent Garden. And it's pretty striking. I am, of course, talking about the infamous Christmas tree they have every year. Of course, Covent Garden, still a market. You can go up and check inside. And it's stood here since the 1600s, folks. Covent Garden, first created by a gentleman known as the Earl of Bedford. And this land was taken from monks from King Henry VIII. Still got lots of modern shops in Covent Garden today, including things like the Apple shop, which you'll see over here. But originally it was more of a traditional, fruits and vegetables market, just on the edge of Westminster. And of course, the great European piazza that's just behind me, and you'll see him come into shot in just a moment, was designed and developed by Sir Christopher Wren, and one is the first of its kind in London. Certainly getting me in the mood for maybe a bit of mulled wine and a mince pie. Hopefully, I haven't had a mince pie this year, so hopefully at some point soon I'll get a chance to have one. Guys, thank you so much for checking out a little bit of Covent Garden with me and with us here at Wonders of London. Wishing you a very festive season, and we'll see you guys real soon. Take care.